podcast. Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down here in first you click on accounts, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on notification settings. Then you come to next step here, click here on notification categories. You come to this list here, come here to download completed here. Just click in this sign of this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here download completed notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you accurate. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.